Hi everyone, I'm from Sri Lanka. From this channel you can learn Sri Lankan food recipes. For first recipe as my first video, I will teach you how to make easy Sri Lankan chili paste. First you need dried shrimp. It is available on supermarket, but make sure to wash it with water 2 to 3 times and squeeze the excess water. It's ready to use. This is small Maldives fish, which is also available on supermarkets, but don't wash it. We need soy sauce and any kind of tomato sauce. I also add 1 medium-sized onion and 4 garlic cloves. Let's do the cutting part first. Cut onion and garlic cloves into tiny pieces like this. If you don't like onion and garlic, you can skip it, but the taste will be quite different. Also, this is not Sri Lankan authentic chili paste recipe. This is kind of easy one that you can make within 10 minutes. Add oil to the pan and heat over medium flame until hot. Once the oil is heated, add onion and garlic, then fry until get nice golden color. When onions are ready, add dried shrimp and fry on medium flame until shrimp fully cooked. If you are a busy person, make this chili paste and you can store up to 2 to 3 months on a fridge. Now shrimp fully cooked, you can see the color difference. It's time to add Maldives fish and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. When you buy Maldives fish from the supermarket, make sure to buy Maldives fish powder or tiny pieces one, but don't buy large pieces Maldives fish. Now add soya sauce to get a nice color and the saltiness. For even better taste, add tomato sauce and mix everything another 1 to 2 minutes. By adding soy sauce and tomato sauce, you don't want to add extra salt to the chili paste, and also it gives nice color and better taste at the same time. Now add chili flakes and saute another 30 seconds on low flame. Maybe you think this is kind of traditional Sri Lankan spicy recipe, but actually this is not spicy. It's combination of sweet and little bit spicy, which is definitely you can bearable. This is the best part. Now add sugar to give sweetness to this chili paste and saute another 2 to 3 minutes until sugar dissolves. So we are done now. Look at this. You need only 10 minutes to make this, but it literally goes well with everything. You can eat rice, bread, tortilla, noodles and everything with this. Hope you enjoy the recipe. I love to hear your feedbacks, so please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you for watching.